In tonight's Military Matters, a program at a Killeen body repair shop aims to help soldiers transition from military to civilian life.
Caliber Collision's course called Changing Lanes teaches troops basic body work skills in hopes of getting them a job soon. Channel 6 military reporter Jillian Angeline spent some time at the shop earlier today. She joins us now with more. Jillian?
Leslie and Doug, it's a promise of job security. Once soldiers graduate, they are placed in a collision center and paired with a mentor. There are 525 locations around the country. The 18-week course focuses on hands-on experience, fixing dents and scratches, repairing bent frames. Retired Master Sergeant Michael Sadler, an instructor now, says they get the cars with partnerships from dealerships. They repair cars traded in before they get resold. Master Sergeant Kevinoid Little is an active guard reservist, and he owns a drag racing team. With 29 years in the service, he says this kind of course is invaluable.
Definitely a great transferable experience because, Caliber gives us the opportunity to join the workforce while we're still on active duty time. So, provided the assets that Caliber has, it's top-notch training, second to none.
Caliber Collision takes soldiers with different levels of expertise, some like Master Sergeant Little and some soldiers with no mechanic experience. The course also offers certifications in welding and air conditioning. Doug and Leslie, sending it right back to you.
All right, Jillian, thanks. We're back after this.